Hello, dear students. Welcome back. Hope you all are fine. Once again, myself Vinita, your maths teacher, is with you with part 5th video of chapter 1, Knowing Our Numbers. Hope you have seen the previous 4 videos and you are completing your homework as I am assigning you in my every video. Now in this video, we will do exercise 1.2. As in the previous video, we have done introduction to exercise 1.2, in which we learned introduction to the measuring units and the easiest way to do the conversion of units. So let's start now. So this is the exercise 1.2 question first in front of you. First we will do the reading of the question. The question is in front of you, as you can see here. A book exhibition was held for 4 days in a school, and the number of tickets sold at the counter on the first, second, third and final day. Since they are giving us that the book exhibition was held for 4 days, it means what? It means the final day. The final day means the 4th day. Was respectively, I hope you understand. Respectively means in a particular order they have written. That means on the first day the tickets sold were 1094, on the second day tickets sold were 1812, third day it was 2050, and the fourth day it was 2751. What we have to do in this question? Find the total number of tickets sold on all the 4 days. We have to find the total number of tickets. So total number of tickets, I hope you have understood that what we have to do in this question, we have to add the number of tickets that were sold on first, second, third and fourth day. So what we have to do, we have to add 1904, 1812, 2050 and 2751. We have to add this whole number, and what we will get after addition, that will be the total number of tickets sold. So total number of tickets, we will add 1094, 1812, 2050 and 2751. So I hope you can understand the addition, how I have done this. 4 plus 2 plus 1, 4 plus 2 6, and 6 plus 1 will be 7. Then 9 plus 1 10, and 5 plus 5 10, and 10 plus 10 will be 20, so we will write 0 and 2 will be carried. Then 8 plus 7 plus 0 will become 15, and 15 we will carry 2, and 15 it becomes 17, and 7 we will write, and then next one we will carry, and then 2 plus 2 plus 1 will become 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6, and when 1 we will carry 1 and 6, it will become 7. So the total number of tickets sold we have found is 7707. 7,707 tickets were sold on all the 4 days of the exhibition. I hope you have understood the solution of the first question. Now let's come to the next question. The next question is, Shekhar is a famous cricket player. Shekhar is a famous cricket player. He has so far scored 6980 run in test matches, and he wishes to complete 10,000 runs. How many more runs does he need? So what we have to do in this question, first it is very important for us to understand the question and which thing we have to find out in question and which operation do we have to apply. So they are saying that Shekhar is a cricketer and he has scored 6,980 runs he has scored. But what is his wish? His wish is to complete 10,000 runs. So how many more runs does he need? So when they are asking you in any question that how many more, how much more, then what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction. That what is his wish and how much he has done, what we want and what we have achieved. We have to do the subtraction of these two things when we want to find out how many. To make the concept of this question more clear to you, I would like to give you a very simple and easy example. Suppose you have 4 chocolates, but you want 10 chocolates. you have 4 chocolates and you want 10 chocolates. So how many more chocolates do you need to make the number of chocolates 10? Then what you will say, ma'am? 6. How you find 6? Obviously you have subtracted 10 and 4. When you will subtract 4 from 10, then you will get 6. So the same concept we are using in this question, that Shekhar has scored 6,980 runs and he want to score 10,000 runs. So how many more runs do we need to score? For that, what we have to do? We have to do the subtraction 10,000 and 6,980. So I hope you can do the subtraction yourself and find the answer very easily. Now let's come to our next question, that is question 3rd. The question 3rd is, in an election, the successful candidate registered 577,500, that is 5,77,500 votes, and his nearest rival secured 3,48,700 votes. By what margin did the successful candidate win the election? So the important point in this question is by what margin. Are you aware of this word? Margin. What does margin means? Margin means difference. So they are asking us that the person who has won, what was the difference in his votes? How much more votes, how many more votes he has got that he won? So it is just like question number 2nd. So here is a solution of question 3rd in front of you. So as you can see, I have written the complete solution here. They are saying the successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes. So our first line will be successful candidate registered 5,77,500 votes, and the nearest rival secured, what was the number of votes of the rival? That is 3,48,700 votes. So by what margin did the successful candidate win? So margin of success, what is the difference of the votes with the number that the candidate has won? So I have told you that we have to find the difference of the both number of votes. So here we have done the subtraction, 5,77,500, 3,48,700, and we are doing the subtraction here. So 0 minus 0 will be 0, 0 minus 0 will be 0. Here we are having 5. So we will carry 1 from 7. It will become 15, and 15 minus 7 will become 8. Okay, in the next, because we have carried 1 from 7, so we are left with the 6 here. Then 16 minus 8 will become again 8. After that we are having here 7, but we have carried 1 from here, so again we are left out with 6 here. So 6 minus 4 will be 2, and then again 5 minus 3 will be 2. So what the answer we have got? The answer is 2,28,800 votes is the margin of votes with which the successful candidate has won. So this is the solution to question 3rd, and if you want to note down the solution, then you can just give a pause to the video and note down the solution of every question. So the question number 4 is, Kirti Bookstore sold books worth rupees 2,85,891 in the first week of June, and books worth rupees 4,768 in the second week of the month. In the first week and in the second week, they have given us the number of books sold. How much was the sale for the 2 weeks together? And in which week was the sale greater and by how much? So what they are giving us? They are giving us that Kirti Bookstore sale for the first week and for the second week. For the first and second week they have given the sale, and they are asking us the sale for the 2 weeks together. So I hope you have understood that what we have to do. Yes, of course we have to do the addition in this question. We have to do the addition of first week and of second week. When we will do the addition of first and second week, then we will find the total sale of 2 weeks together, and in which week was the sale greater by how much. To find this, what we have to do, we have to do the subtraction to find by how much. So when we will subtract the sale of second week and the sale of first week, then we will get the answer of how much. So I hope you can solve this question yourself, because you just have to do one addition and one subtraction in this question. So now let's come to our next question. That is question number 5. What does the question number 5 says? The question number 5 says, find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using the digit 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. I am repeating the question. Find the difference between the greatest and the least 5-digit number that can be written using digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3 each only once. So what we have to do, we have to use each of these 5 digits only one time, and we have to form a greatest 5-digit number and the least 5-digit number. And we have discussed about the all digit number, and then I would like to repeat that when we have to form a number, any digit number we have to form, but when we have to form the greatest, then we write the given digits in descending order, and when we have to find, or when we have to write the least number from those digits, then we write the ascending order of the given digits. So let's have a look at the solution of this question. So here is the solution. So we have digits 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. These are the digits we are having. And what we have to do, first we have to find the difference between the greatest and the least number that we can make from these digits. So to find the greatest number with any number of digits they are giving, what we have to do, we have to write the given numbers in the descending order. Descending order, that means we will move from largest to the smallest. So the greatest number, first of all, we will form is like this. So we will move from largest to smallest, descending order, that is 7. Largest number 6, 2, 7, 4, 3. The largest one is 7. Then the next number will be 6. Then the next number will be 7. Then 3, and then 2. So we have formed the largest number by arranging the numbers in descending order from largest to the smallest. And this is the greatest number that we are forming with these 5 digits. And to form the least number, what we have to do, we have to do the opposite process. And in the opposite process, we have to write the number in ascending order from smallest to the greatest. So the smallest number first will be 2, then 3, then 4, then 6, and then 7. So we have formed the greatest and the smallest number. And what we have to do, we have to find the difference. So what we will do, we will do the subtraction. And I know very well that all of you are well acquainted with the process of subtraction. How we'll do the subtraction? We have to subtract 2 from 7. Then first we will carry 1 from 3, and it will become 12. 12 minus 7 will be 5. Then what we are left out? We are left out with 2 here. Then we will carry 1 from 4. Then we will left out with 12. 12 minus 6 will be again 6. Again we are left out here with 3 because we have carried 1 from here. So here is 3. Then we will carry 6 from here, and it will become 13. And 13 minus 4 will be 9. And after that we are left out here with 5. So 5 minus 3 will be 2, and 7 minus 2 will be 5. So the answer is 52965, 52,965. Greatest number is formed by arranging the numbers in descending order, that is from largest to smallest, and the least number is formed by arranging the number in ascending order, that is smallest to largest, and then we have to find out the difference. So that is the solution to question number 5. Now let's come to question number 6. The question number 6 is here. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. 2,825 screws a day a machine is manufacturing. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006? So what the question is saying, that they are giving us the production of one day and they are asking us to find the production of the whole month. So how we will find it? It will depend upon the number of days that January is having. To make the concept of this question clear to you, I would like to give you a small and easy example. So suppose you have one chocolate that cost you ₹5. What I am saying, that a shopkeeper has given you a chocolate in ₹5. If you want 3 chocolates, then how much money you will have to give to the shopkeeper? You will answer, ma'am, 15. But how? You multiplied 5 with the number of chocolates, that is 3. That is 5 into 3 is equals to 15. I would like to repeat once again that if a shopkeeper is giving you one chocolate in ₹5 and you want 3 chocolates, then how much money you will give to the shopkeeper? How we will find it? We will multiply the cost of one chocolate with the number of chocolates, and the same thing we have to do in this question. So to find the number of production or the production of screw in the month of January, what we have to do? We have to multiply the number of days in January and the number of screws manufactured by the machine in one day. So let's have a look at the solution. So how we'll write the solution? So first of all, we'll write the screws manufactured in a day. The screws manufactured in a day. The screws manufactured in a day. That is 2825. Then days in January 2006 is equals to, in January there are always 31 days. So total screws produced, how we will find? I have told you that we will multiply the number of days and the number of screws manufactured in a single day, and when we will multiply it, and I hope you understand how to multiply a 4-digit number with a 2-digit number. If any one of you faces a problem, then I have given a solution of multiplication here, that how we multiply. First of all, we will multiply 2825 with 1. Then what we will get? 5 ones are 5. Then we will multiply 2 with 1, 2 ones are 1, 8 ones are 1, and 2 ones are 1. So what we got? 2825. Then we have to multiply 2825 with 3. So 5 3s are 15. Here we will write 5 and 1 will be carried out. Then 2 3s are 6 and 1 is carried out, then it becomes 7. So after that 8 3s are 24 and 4 will be written and 2 will be carried out. After that 3 2s are 6 and the 2 will be carried out in 6, it becomes 8. So what we get? We get 8475. Now we will add this one and this one. 5 is 5, 5 plus 2 7, 8 plus 7 15, written 5, 1 will be carried out, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 7, that is carried out, and 87575 is the answer. That is the number of screws manufactured in the month of January 2006. So I hope you have understood the question number 6, and if you face any problem in any question, then you can mention them in comment. We will solve each of the query of yours. So this was the question number 6, and we have solved question 1 to question 6 of exercise 1.2 in this video. And if you face any problem in any question, then you can mention them in comments. Till then, please complete your notebooks, and we will meet you soon in our next video, and in that video we will complete the upcoming question 7 to 12 of exercise 1.2. Till then, have a nice day.